Hello everyone. This is Dr. Anjali Srivastava, retired zoology professor, Jamshedpur Women's University. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Adarshalaya, a free online teaching and learning platform for learning zoology and environmental science, career guidance and biology for higher classes and NEET. Now discussing Animal Behavior series of MSc. In this video we will discuss advanced types of observational learning. Animal behavior is the way to react in response to stimuli and environment. Thorpe 1963 divided behavior into broad groups, innate and learned. Learned then divided in restricted and flexible. Flexible includes non-associative with simple reflex and associative learning with association of ideas due to conditional reflex, conditioning, and includes classical, operant and latent types. Latent learning is further extended as observational learning, a passive learning associated with cognition, appears later in situations where it is needed and is associated with some reinforcement. Advanced types of observational learnings are: first, discrimination, where animal learns ability to respond differently to different forms of stimuli, as in Pavlov's experiment, dog discriminates between specific bell tune associated with food and salivation, pigeon's behavior, Wisconsin's experiment with power to discriminate with pebbles linked with food reward, etc. Second, imitation learning is reproduction or performance of an act that's stimulated by perception of a similar act by another animal or person as a model, like imitating act of monkeys, tutor birds' actions, chimps imitating their parents, etc. Imitation covers a wide range of behavior. In their native habitats, young mammals copying activities of older members of species. Among human beings, imitation includes everyday experiences like yawning when others yawn, adoption of ideas and habits of others. Imitation and observational learning. Thorndike explained other cats not opening of puzzle box as trial and error only form of learning other than human. Young chimps watch their elders and perform intricate tasks suggesting learning by observation. Domestic chickens knowing how to peck, that have eaten to satiation start eating again, social facilitation. Third, perceptual learning is learning using sense organs and their perception. Most common example is shape of elephant stated by visually impaired persons, bats capturing wavelengths of sounds is. Perceptual learning through sensory interaction with the environment. Fourth, song learning, vocalizations and singing of animal like cricket, finches learning song from their father, deafened sparrows unable to sing properly, etc. leave much about evolution of language learning. Song learning is likely an autonomous cognitive module in songbirds. Fifth, birdsong and human language, Fodor, Fitch, and other ethologists explained human language as advanced way of communicating with each other as compared to simple communicating ways in other animals. Sixth, social and vicarious learning is learning behaviors within the species controlled by environmental influences. It has many advantages as well as disadvantages. Also called as modeling or social development. Many examples of animals' social behaviors are given here. Vicarious learning is the ability to lead society of same species. Seventh, navigational or migratory behavior is to navigate through different environmental factors like sun using as compass, Earth's magnetic fields, etc. to reach their feeding and breeding places in different climatic conditions. Examples are: salmon returns through smell, swallows through diurnal, albatross through moons and stars, Manx shearwaters migration, etc. To know more details in Hindi and for notes, come to Adarshalaya. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Hit bell for notifications. Thank you.